everybody, welcome to Trilogy Tech Talk. I'm Rena Santoro. We are at the 2016 RSA conference in San Francisco. I'm here hanging out the Sophos booth, and here to help me out is Chester Wisniewski. Chester, how you holding up?
Oh, getting tired. These are long days, but it's actually, it's good because it's our chance to actually see the real impact of what we're doing instead of just, being on the other end of a telephone or a teleconference. So it's a highlight of our year, really.
Awesome, lots of energy. All right, so Chester, tell me a little bit more about Sophos and what's the company about?
Well, I guess like everyone here, we're in security, but at Sophos we focus sort of on three primary areas of security: endpoint security, data protection, and network security.
Right.
And so we're doing lots of demos of all that stuff and sharing, how far we've come in the last year. Because security is moving faster and faster and faster all the time now. So from RSA to RSA, there's been a lot of changes in products and strategy, and of course, even changes in how the attackers are approaching things. So we're doing our best to kind of share what we've learned and listen to the people attending as well, sharing their problems with us and seeing how we might be able to address problems in the future.
And I was just going to ask, for potential customers out there, why should they look to Sophos?
Well, we work really hard at this stuff, and we have a lot of very passionate people working on these problems. We've been doing computer security related things for over 30 years, and I've been at the company 13 years now, and I think that's a testament to the quality of what we do. Our engineers and our researchers are deeply invested in doing this stuff, and we really want to focus on allowing IT people to focus on running their business and let us help them deal with the security side of it. And I think that's a little different than maybe what everybody else is talking about, but the truth is we're experts and we're here to help, and hopefully people can take advantage of that.
I was just going to ask you, you hit a point, everyone's kind of talking about the same thing about security and breach and all this goodness, but what is separating you from everyone else that's on this floor?
Well, I think the difference is partly that simplicity and trying to keep the product simple so that businesses can worry about their policy about what they want to do with security, as opposed to having to worry about having to turn all the knobs all the time to adjust everything to work specifically just in their world. Because the truth of the matter is, when we hire people in our labs, our research experts, we struggle to find the hundreds of people we need to build the products and do all the research, and every business can't necessarily have those kinds of people inside of their business, right? They make stuff, they sell stuff, they provide services, and what we want to try to do is abstract the details away and provide them with an interface that allows them to decide, how do I want my network to operate as a policy decision and not have to worry about, should I block this website?
All right, and is there anything you'd like to add, any announcements that you've announced during RSA?
Well, we're really focusing a lot on what we're calling synchronized security here at RSA, which is kind of bringing all the different bits and pieces. If you think most businesses now have 7, 8, 9, 10 different security products, right? You've got web filters and email filters and antivirus and all these things, and they're siloed. They're separate little things, and each one of those things is trying to make a decision about something is good or bad all by itself. And so really what we're talking a lot about RSA is bringing those things together, having those things talk to each other, because as humans, we look at something and we're like, oh, that came in an email attachment, that's probably dodgy. The product can't necessarily do that if it doesn't talk, right? An antivirus doesn't know it came in an email attachment. The email product knows it came in an email attachment, but it doesn't know that it went to a website. So all these things, when you bring them together, paint a much clearer picture of security and allow you to make much more sensible decisions about the good and bad, just like we humans do. And that's, we're just trying to train the robots to do a better job.
I like how you said that. Very well put. All right, Chester, is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, other than, if people are watching this, come by, talk to us, and afterwards, if you missed out on RSA, let us know. We'd be happy to talk to anybody and share our thoughts.
All right. Thank you very much, Chester, and good luck with the rest of the show.
Cheers, thank you.
Thank you.